Hi, welcome back. I'm Musa and this is Musa Analytics. Today I will be showing you how to build an interactive and amazing dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Without wasting much time, let's quickly get started. First, I would like to create three different sheets. The first sheet is the report, followed by the dashboard. We already have the orders sheet already. That's where our data sits. So I click on this plus icon. I rename this sheet to reports. Then add another sheet. I'll rename this sheet to dashboard. Now I have three different Excel sheets in my workbook: the order sheet, the report sheet, and the dashboard. So the order sheet is where my data sits, right? Then this is the report sheet and this is the dashboard sheet. So coming to my data is currently formatted into a table. So you click on any of these cells within the data set, come to your insert, come to the insert tab, click on pivot table. Then a pop-up dialog box is going to appear. Now Excel is now asking you, where do you want your pivot table to be placed? So I want my pivot table to be placed in an existing worksheet, which is the report page, right? Then I'll click on existing worksheet. Then the location, I'll just click on this arrow, click on my report page. Then I want it to be somewhere around here. Then I'll click on enter and OK. Now I have what? I have my pivot table in my report page. So the first report I would like to create is the total sales. Okay, before that, this is called pivot table fields or the fields pane, right? This is where your data fields can be located. Under it, we have different buckets. We have the filters bucket, the columns, the rows, and the values. So here, under my field pane, I will click on sales. I want to see the total sales, so I'll click on sales. So by default, you can see under the values bucket that Excel has automatically summed up the cells, right? Then the next report I would like us to report on is the profit. Click on the profit. The next is the discount. The next is the quantity. And we also need the total transaction. So the total transaction simply means, we come to your orders page. The total transaction simply means the count of your order ID will give you the total transaction, right? Then come to your report. Look for where your order ID is. This is your order ID. You click on it. Sorry, unclick. Let's check something. So you drag your order ID to your values bucket. So Excel has automatically count the order ID. That means we have about 9,994 transactions. So the next thing I would like to see is the average sales. So look for your sales here. Again, you drag your cell again to the values bucket. Then instead of summing it, you come to where your sales is. You can see Excel has named it sum of sales too, because we already have the previous one is sum of sales. Then the second one is sum of sales too. But in this case, we want to see the average sales, not the total sales. So what you do is you come here, you click on this drop down arrow, you see value field settings. You click on it. So inside a pop-up dialog box is going to appear. So you rename it. You can choose to rename it as average sales, right? Average sales. Then instead of sum, under the summarize value field by, instead of sum, you click on average because you want to see the average. I rename it to average sales. Then you click on OK. So now we have the average sales. So the next thing I would like us to report on is the profit margin. So the profit margin is simply the ratio between what? The profit and the sales. So what we're going to do is we come to our pivot table analyze tab. Under the calculations group, you will see fields, items and sets. Then click on field, items and sets. Then click on what? Calculated field. Then we will name the name of a pop-up dialog box will appear, and the name of our field should be profit margin. That's profit margin, right? Then the formula is simply what? The ratio between what? Our profit, where is our profit? Divide by sales. Then you click on insert field. Then you click on OK. You click on OK. So what is the name? You change the name to profit margin. Then you click on what? Okay. Add. You click on add. Then you click on what? Okay. So now we have what? Our profit margin, right? So let's format the column header of our report, of this report, right? Of this pivot. So all we do is you can just come over it, over the header, you double click on it. This is our sum of sales, right? But we call it total sales. In this case, this is our total sales. Then you click on OK. Then you format it into what? Currency. Come to your home. Then the what? The format should be what? Currency, right? Then you reduce the decimal place. I don't need the decimal place. So you come do the same to this guy here. This is what? Total profit. This is total profit. Then you come here and format it to what? To currency as well, and reduce the decimal what? Places. Then the next is what? The total discount. You can right click on this guy and come to value field settings. That's another way of renaming it. Then you what? You click on what? Total discount. You rename it to total discount and click on what? Okay. So the total discount, you format it to currency, and you reduce the decimal place. Then this guy too, you do the same to all these ones. This is our total quantity, right? This is our total quantity sold. This should be our total quantity. Then you click on OK. You format it to 1000 separator and reduce what? The decimal place. This guy here is our total transaction. This is total transaction. Total transaction. Click OK. Format it to 1000 separator and reduce the decimal place as well. You do the same to this guy. This is average sales. Format it to currency, reduce its decimal places. Then sum of profit margin. You rename it as well to be your profit margin. Click on OK. For some reason, you need to add some space after the field name. You add what? Like 1 or 2 space. Then you click on OK. If not, Excel is going to pop an error for you. So this is what? This is profit margin. We format it to what? To percentage. Good. So our first report now is done. So the next report I would like us to do is segment. I want us to see the segment by sales. So you can choose to come to your orders, click on insert, just like we did in the first report, or you can just highlight this pivot table, copy it, and come here, just beneath the first one, then you what? You paste it. After pasting it, you come here and uncheck everything so that pivot table will be empty. What we would like to report on is what? The segment by sales. So you click on what? Your segment. Then you click on sales. I think that's fine. Then you rename this guy to what? To segment. So we rename this guy to what? Segment. And this guy to sales. And we can choose to what? Come here. We can choose to what? Format it to our currency and reduce the decimal place as well. So we can highlight this guy also and use it for our second report. So our second report is let's do segments by quantity. So you paste it here, then you change these sales, click on anywhere within the pivot table, then instead of sales, you change it to what? To quantity. I think quantity is fine, but you have to uncheck the sales. So you change it to what? To quantity, right? The quantity. So quantity is a what? Should not be formatted in error. It should be what? In general form and comma separated value. Then you reduce what? The decimal place. So this is quantity, right? This is discount. So you click on look for quantity where quantity is and click on quantity. So this is quantity. And you rename it to what? Quantity. And don't forget to add that space to avoid error. And click on OK. So we have segments by quantity. That's our third report. So note, it's always advisable to put your report side by side to avoid overlapping the way I'm doing just now. It should in case your data is increasing so that it will not overlap each other, right? So the next report I would like us to do is I would like us to report on, let's say, segments by profit. Segments by profit. I would like us to report on segment by profit, but I would like the profit to be percentage of grand total so that we see the contribution of each segment to the grand total. So what you will do is just click on anywhere within the pivot table after you paste it, then uncheck quantity here, where is quantity, and click on profit. And click on profit. Where is profit? And click on profit. Done. So this should be currency, right? This should be currency. Format it to currency and reduce the decimal place. So you rename it to, let's give it a name. Let's say percentage of grand total, or let's say profit. Let's say profit percent of grand total. Let's put GT, grand total. Profit percentage of grand total. Then click on OK. Then click on anywhere within these values under the profit percentage of grand total. You right click on it. Then you come to summarize values as, show values as. Then under the show values as, you see percentage of grand total. Then you click on it. So this is showing the percentage contribution of each segment to the grand total. So the next report I would like us to report is is the top 10 states by sales. We want to see our top 10 states by sales. So we copy this guy here as well. Come to this place, we paste it. Oh, it's not copied. So we copy it again. Come to this place. Then we paste it. Then we uncheck everything. Segment, sales. Then we check our states since we are reporting on top 10 states by sales. So you look for where your state is. Where is our state? Under the field, this is our state. Check on your state, then click on what again, your sales. So these are the list of our what, our states, our states. So let's rename it to state. Let's rename it to state. So these are the list of our state, but we only want to see the top 10 states by sales. So you come under the states, click on any of the state value, then you right click on it. After right clicking on it, you see sort, right? You see filter, I mean. Under the filter sub menu, you see top 10, then click on top 10. So a pop-up dialog box will appear. The pop-up dialog box is now asking you, you want to show the value as, is it top? You can choose either bottom, and again you can, if you come to the other cell, you can see, you can change the number, either top 12, depends on what you want, but in this case we need the top 10 what states by sales. So we choose the top and the 10, then we click on what, okay. So these are what, top 10 states by sales. Fine. So the next report I would like us to report on is want to see the category of sales and profit. The category of sales and profit. So let's copy this guy. You can still copy this guy here. Control C. Then come here and you paste it. Then do the same. Uncheck all these fields. Then you what? Check category by sales and profit. You want to see the category of sales by profit. So you click on category, look for where category is. This is our category. Then the next thing, where is your profit? This is your profit. And where is your sales? This is your sales. So this is what our category of what, sales and profit. So let's rename this guy to be what, profit, and this guy should be sales. And this guy is what, should be category, not states. This guy should be category. We rename it to category, and we rename this guy also to sales. Click on OK. Good. So the next report that I would like us to do is I want to see the month-on-month percentage change of sales. The month-on-month percentage change of sales. So what we'll do now is we copy this guy again. This person here, you copy. Come here and you paste it, right? Then uncheck all these fields here. Uncheck all these fields. Then you would click on months. You want to see the month. Is it the months? Then this guy, this is the month. Then we want to see the month, but in this case we will uncheck the years. So you only want to see the month and the sales. Where is our sales? Then we can drag the year to the word column. So this is basically what our months for each of these years from 2014 to 2017. So you just come to any value within click on any value of these sales, you right click on it. Then what you do is you come to value, show value as, then look for what percent difference from, click on it. This pop-up will appear. Now Excel is asking you the base field. The base field is months. Then what, the base item is what, we want it to be previous year, and we click on OK. So Excel now is kind of what, comparing each month with the previous one, right? like this February with January, March to February. Why January is empty? Because there is no previous month for January, right? So the next thing I would like us to report is profit by year. I would like us to report profit by year. So let's copy this guy again. Let's paste it here, somewhere around here. Uncheck everything. I want to see profit by year. And you click on profit. This is your profit. Then the year, you bring it to your column. So this is what profit by year, right? So I think we are done with our reports. We are done with our report. So the next thing I would like us to do is to go to our dashboard page and create our wireframe. Already I have a picture of how I want the dashboard to be. So you just follow along. You just click on any cell within your sheet. Come to view. I don't need this grid line, so I'll come to view. Under the view tab, I'll just uncheck these grid lines. So the grid line is no longer there. So I'll come to home. After home, I'll come to insert. Then under the illustrations group, click on this drop down. I'll pick a shape. In this case, I would like a rectangle shape. I would like a rectangle shape. Then I'll give it a color. So I'll be picking my color from a site called colors.co. Colors.co. So it's taking time to load. It's taking time to load. So you just come to your browser and you just type colors.co. You just type colors.co. Then you click on enter. Still loading. I'm having a poor network. Good. Then what? Click on explore trending palette. Click on explore trending palette. Good. So for this class, I would like to use this particular color, right? This particular one. So often I'll be referring to this guy over here. So during the course of the dashboard design. So let's get back to our Excel. So I want this color now to be a darker blue. So what I will do is I will come to my shape field. First of all, I'll go to my colors.co, then pick this guy. Just click on it. You have copied it. Then come to your Excel. Click this shape. Click this shape. Come to our shape field. Go to more colors. Under the custom, inside the hex, highlight this and we'll paste your color there. Then click on OK. Right. So the next thing I would like is, let me remove the shape outline. I don't want the shape outline. Let me remove the shape outline. Click on the shape outline and no outline. I don't need an outline. So I would like the background of this the dashboard. The background of the dashboard to be, I want it to be, let's say light ash. Let's say light ash. Light ash will do, right. Just click on anywhere. Control A, you highlight everything, then come to this your bucket, then click on, let's look for a lighter color. Let's say this guy here. So the next thing is I'll add another shape. Another shape, let's say square. Then I'll duplicate it again because I need three of them. Let's add like three of them. Let's add like three of them. Let's add like three of them. Make sure you align them properly, right? Good. Then highlight them, hold the shift button, then come to what? Align. Then align top, then distribute horizontally. Fine. Then I'll come to this guy here. Click on any of these shape. Come to shape field, no field. Or let me just make it white or white. Then the outline should be what? No outline. Then you do the same to this guy too. Just come here, pick your paintbrush and click on this. Pick your paintbrush, click on this. Good. So the next thing I would like us to do is use this same shape here, Control D, and bring it here, just at the side here. Then you just Control D again. We need like two of them, like three to be precise. Then you arrange them at the side here. You can just click on this guy, click on this guy, click on this. Just leave it. Just make sure that this guy is properly aligned. Increase this guy. Click on this guy, increase this guy. Good. So you click on this and this, then you come to your shape format, distribute vertically. Increase the size of this guy, or just leave it that way. So you come here, duplicate this guy, and you can bring it here. And drag it down. You drag it, right? You can increase the size towards the right. Yeah, I can expand it towards the right. And I still need this guy. I need this guy here. Right? Good. So I can increase the size as well. So let's do something. You just come here, click this guy, and just align to the top. Come to shape format. Under the align to the top. That's good. So the next thing is I'll need this guy I'll need to duplicate this guy as well and add it here. And increase the size, the width of this guy. Then duplicate it. Bring it here. Let me see the height of this guy. The height of this guy is 4.79. What of this one is 4.79 as well. So I want to increase this guy to be 5, at least 5. And this one, let me just increase it. Good. Just make sure they are properly aligned. Just make sure they are properly aligned. Good. So the next thing to do is duplicate this guy as well and bring it here. Can reduce this one. Good. So I think this is fine. Just make sure everything is properly aligned. Just make sure everything is properly aligned. I think this is good. So this is basically my what? My wireframe, right? This is basically my wireframe. So my first let me add the first thing I would like to add to this dashboard is the title, right? You come to your insert tab, click on what? The text box. Click on the text box. So let's just type in, let's assume Musa Analytics is a store. So just type Musa Analytics sales dashboard. Sales dashboard. Let's say reporting or report as of, let's say, 2017. You highlight this guy. I like this guy to be 10, and this guy here I want it to be let's say 14. Let's say 14. Then you bring it here. You come to your shape. Click on shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Then you can highlight it to be what? To be white. Come to your home, change the text to be white. So this guy here, I want it to be, let's say 16. And this guy here, I want it to be italics. Good. So I think that's good. So the next thing is we want to see our total sales. So you come to your insert again, go to your text box, pick your text box, draw your text box anywhere. Then, okay, one thing is, you see this formula bar is what will connect your dashboard or the shapes inside the shape in your dashboard to what? To your report. So you click on this text box, come to your formula bar, you click on the equal sign, then refer back to your Excel and look for where your total sales is. We want to report the total sales and click on OK. Then you can what? You can align it. You can center align it. Can align it. And highlight it. Sorry. Can bring it here. You can highlight it. Just come to your shape. You want your shape field to be what? No field. We want our shape field to be no field, and we want our text to be white. We want our text to be white. Then we drag it. We don't need any outline. Shape outline should be no outline. The shape outline should be no outline. And let's change the text. Why it is not showing? So let's just change the text to what? To this our what? Theme color. You come here, you see there. This is our theme color, and you can make it bold. I think that's fine. You can choose to increase the size, but let's just leave it for now. So you can do the same to the other guys, but we need the We need a total sales. So come to insert, come to your text box, click on your text box. You can type in your total sales. This is your total sales. You can choose to highlight it, make it this color, bold it, make it 12. The size you can choose to make it 12. Come to your shape format as well. Click on the shape fill. You don't need any fill. The shape outline, we don't need any outline. Then you can drag it. So this is our total sales. This is our total sales. Let's make this guy to be, let's say 14. 14 will make sense. Then we can you can duplicate this guy, duplicate it like 3 times or 2 times. Then we use it here as well. Then the next report should be what? Should be profit. We want to see our total profit. So let's just rename this guy to be profit. Total profit. And this one should be total quantity. This guy should be total quantity. Then you drag it small to make sure it's properly fit. This is our total sales, total profit, and total quantity. But let's say total quantity sold. Total quantity sold. So that's fine. So let's duplicate this guy as well, like 2 times. Bring the first guy here, and this one as well, you bring it here. So this is our total profit. So we come here and refer back to our total profit. Click on your report page, click on total profit and click on enter. You can format it using your paintbrush. And this guy here is total quantity sold. You go to your reports, click on total quantity, then use your paintbrush and format this guy too as well. I think that's fine. Let's reduce this guy. I think that's fine. So we have our total sales, total profit, total quantity sold. So the next thing is let's populate this guy here. Let's populate this guy with our total transaction. Our total transaction. So you duplicate this person. Let's use it. And we can choose to use total transaction. This is our total transaction. Bring it here as our total transaction. But I want this guy, the first guy, to be our what? Theme color. So you come here, you come to your this paint bucket, and you click on this. But let's first make this to be white. Let's change it to white color so that it's going to appear nicely. Then click on this. This is our total transaction, and let's change this guy to be this color here. Copy this color, come to your Excel, click on the shape, come to shape format, shape fields, under more field colors, come to custom, then paste it here and click on OK. So for this guy here, you still come to your colors.co, pick this person here, come to your Excel, come to shape field, more colors, under the custom color, you paste it and you click OK. And you click on OK. So you come here again, you pick this guy, drag it, or first of all change the color to white and you drag it to this place. So this is our total transaction. So you come to your formula bar, go and refer back to your word total transaction in the report page and click on enter. Then you can format it to white. Or just come here, paintbrush, and you format it, but change the color to white. I think white is fine. White is fine. So the next thing I would like us to report on is the total discount. I would like us to report on the total discount. So you do the same to this guy. Come here again. Type in your total discount. Type in your total discount. Then you just align it properly. And copy this guy. Bring it here. Then you refer back to your report using the formula bar. You come to your total discount. Where is total discount? No. Total discount. So I have to remove one of these. This is your total discount. So you format it using this guy. Format it. I think that's fine. So the next thing is the next thing I would like us to report is segments of quantity, segments by quantity, right? So you click on this guy here again, you double click, you come here, you highlight it and change segments by quantity. Segments by quantity, right? Then you properly align it to the center. So you come down here again. So how do you report this segment by quantity? Is you click on this text box again, double click on it, double click on it, double click on it. Let's just change it to this this thing, our theme color. You double click on it. Then what you do now is just delete this guy. You come to this guy, you double click, then you refer back to your report where your segment is, and go to segment and click on segment here, right? And then click on enter. So this is your first segment. So we need like 3 of these. Come here, double click again, duplicate it, then you change this guy, you just click on this guy, come here, instead of D5 you put D6. That's a reference here, right? You reference this guy. Since this guy is D6, then the other guy will be D7, right? Change it to D7. That's home. So you highlight each of them, make sure Make sure you arrange them. Make sure you arrange them. Make sure you arrange them properly. Then highlight each of them. Then you come to your shape format. Under the arrange, click on this align, then distribute or align to the left first. Then you distribute vertically, right? Then you come to your home tab and format it to be this color. Or just click on this guy and format it. Pick your paintbrush, format it to this color. Pick this guy as well. Format it to this color. Then pick this guy and format it to this color. So we have segment, we have the three segment, that's the consumer, corporate, and home. So I like these ones to be okay. So duplicate this guy again and bring it here. Then what you do is reference, go to your reports and reference the values. So this is our segment and these are the values. Then click on any of these value, click on enter. Then you can format it as well, then duplicate it. Duplicate this guy too. And let's just give it the same it. Come to your shape format. The width of this guy is let's make it 1.8. Enter. So this one too, let's make it 1.8. Enter. This guy too, let's make it 1.8. Then click on enter. So what we'll do here is since this guy is E5, definitely the next guy will be what? E6. Then the next guy will be E7. Right? Then you click on each of them and hold down your shift button by clicking on each of them. Then you what? Align to the right. Then you format them. You format each one of them. Good, I think that's fine. So the next thing is I would like to add more design on this guy. So I'll come to insert, come to my shape. I'll just pick any shape here. Then I'll just draw a line. From edge to edge. Then the height of the line, I'll make it 0.1. The height of the line, I'll make it 0.1. I think the width is okay. Then I'll change the color of the width to be, let's say, color should be white. Let's make it white. Then duplicate it. And make it 5.2. Let me make it 5.0. What's the width of this guy? This guy is 5.11, so let's make them to be 5.11 as well. 5.11. And then come to home, click on your format, but this thing, paintbrush. Your format brush, format this guy as well to be 5.11. 5.11. So arrange them properly. Let's do something. Click on this guy, click on this guy. And what you do is click on this guy and this guy, shift them up. small. Then click on them and distribute. Come to your shape, align, distribute vertically. Does it distribute vertically? So I want it to be a little bit, this guy should be up. This guy should be up. This guy should be up. And this guy here should be up as well. And this guy, and this guy, I want them to be distributed vertically and aligned to the left. And this guy, and this guy as well, I want them to be distributed vertically and aligned to the right. And I'll shift this guy up. So this guy, align to the right and distribute vertically. Then I'll just shift it small. Then I'll bring this guy here. So this is basically design. This is supposed to be 5.11. This guy also supposed to be 5.11, so that it will have the same size with the shape. This is supposed to be 5.11. I click on it. So you don't need an outline. Come to shape format, outline. We don't need any outline. Come to this guy as well. We don't need any outline. This one too, we don't need any shape outline. Don't need any outline. This guy too, we don't need any shape outline. No outline. So the height is 0.1. Let's check this guy. Is it 0.1? 0.1. Let's make it 0.15. Oh, it's too big. What of 0.01? I think 0.01 will make more sense. 0.01. Just come here, come to home, paintbrush, click on this guy. I just come to shape, you say 0.01. 0.01. Enter. I think that's all. So this is all for this. So the next report I would like us to report is our top 10 states by sales. Top 10 states by sales. So you come to your inserts, pick a square shape, and come to this place. Just draw a square shape, and again come to shape field, no field. The field should just be our, let's use our theme color. The outline should be no outline. So we need like another 10 more, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You come here and arrange them. 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 Good. So click on each of them, one after the other. Yeah, be careful. Let's do something like this. So you click on each of them one after the other. Then you come to your shape format, then click on align to the left. Then you will distribute vertically, right? This is it. Or with Control Z, then you distribute vertically, and let me bring it down a bit. And you can group it. You can just group it so that I can move it around. So the next thing is we need this text box. Just duplicate this guy and bring it here. But we need to change the color of the text to be this our color. Then we bring it here. So refer back to our states from the formula bar. Come to your report page. Where is your state? These are the list of your states. Then you pick California. That's the first on the list of states, right? You shape this guy here and make sure it's properly aligned. Then you come to your text, change the color text and bold it, or let's just leave it that way. Don't need to bold. Then you duplicate it. Then you arrange it as well. Make sure they are all properly aligned. So this is California, and California happens to be J5. Then the next guy should be J6 because he's in the next row. That's column referencing, right? J6, then this guy should be J7. This guy should be J8. This guy here should be J9. This guy should be J10. This guy should be J11. J12. J13 and J14, right? So you like click on them, all of them, and you come to your shape format, you distribute vertically, then align to the left. And you can choose to format them, their shape field, make them no. Just make sure, okay, their shape outline should be no outline, that's fine. Then their color, text color should be this guy. If possible, let's just bold it. I think that's fine. So we can use this guy as well. I use it here for the values. Then you duplicate it. So you highlight everything. Come to your shape format, align to the right. Then you can distribute vertically. We need one more for Washington. Highlight them again. I'm coming. Make sure they are all properly aligned. This guy is not aligned. Make sure they are all properly aligned. So I think this is much. So you delete one. So you make sure they are all properly aligned. That's the beauty of the report. Right? Make sure they are all properly aligned. So you highlight each one of them again. Then you can align to the right. And you want it to be distributed vertically. Then you can group them. And reduce the size. So this one should be what again? Let's refer to our values for the top 10 states. This is the value of California. Click on enter. Since this is K5, the next value definitely is what? Should be K what? This is K5, so this one should be K6. This one should be K7. This one should be K8. K9. K10. K11. K11, this one should be K12. This one should be K13. This guy should be K14. Then again, let's format it to this formatting. Use your paintbrush, format it this way. I think that's fine. So I like this guy. This guy since I like to paint to color this guy to be let's make it this dark blue and change the text to be white. I think that's fine. So the next thing is to add a title. You can just say this one is let's change the text again to our color. And we can highlight it and rename it as what? Top 10 states by sales. Then you adjust it. Top 10 states by sales. I think we are done with this guy. So the next thing I would like us to report on is the segment. I would like to bring to our dashboard is the segment by sales. I would like our segment by sales to be here. So I'll just go back to my report page where is this segment by sales. Then you can click Alt F1. That's the shortcut key for chart. Alt F1. Then you can come to your pivot, analyze, you can come to your format, or just say come to your design tab, then click on chart, change chart type. In this case, I want a bar chart, right? Then you click on this bar and you click on OK. This is what this is your bar chart. So these are called field buttons. So I don't like these field buttons. I'll right click on these field buttons and click on hide all field buttons. I don't need these grid lines as well. I'll just come to this chart element and uncheck these grid lines. I don't need this total again. I'll just click on it and delete. And again, this horizontal value, I don't need it. You come to axis, under the axis, you see what, uncheck the primary horizontal. Then I don't like this line here as well. I click on it, you see format axis. Then you come to what? Come to fill and line. Click on no line, no fill. I think that's fine. So you can come to your sales here, right click on it and click sort smallest to largest. Then you can rename this or you can just change the color of these guys to, let's say, our team color. If possible, you can bold it as well. Then this guy too, you can change the color to our field color. I think that's fine. So I want us to on our data levels on it, but I want it to be inside end, and I will want the color to be white. Click on the color, the text the font color to be, change the font color to be white. Then I would like to rename this title. Our title should be segment by sales, or just segment sales. Then highlight it and change this to our team color. Then you can move it to a top left corner of our chart. Can reduce this chart, the size of this chart, and reduce this to, let's say, 7. Then you would cut it and paste it here. Align it properly. This is a segment by sales. So you can shift this to come to the left. You can just adjust it small. I think that's fine. You can bold it as segment sales. You can bold these guys too as well. I think that's fine. So the next thing I would like to report on is what's happening. You can reduce this guy, the size of this guy, and you can increase this guy here. Just make sure your tiles are properly aligned. Good. I think that's fine. I think that's fine. So I don't need the shape outline. Come to format, shape outline, no outline. So the next report is I want to see the percentage composition of segment. So I would like to report on segment profit by segment. This guy here, profit percentage of grand total. So I click on this guy, Alt F1, that's the shortcut key for chart. Then come to your design, click on change chart type, click on pie chart. In this case, I'll go with the donut chart. Then I'll click on OK. This is my donut chart. Right click on these fill buttons, click on hide all fill buttons. And these are my legends. I would like my legend to be on the left side. So click on legend, click on this chart element here, click on legends, click on left and click on left. Then you can change this guy here to be our color, to be our theme color. You come to this place, you copy it, go back to your Excel, come to home. Under the bucket pen, you come to more colors, paste it here and click on OK. Oh, where did I got this guy from? And you come here, this is our theme color. Then the next one is you come here again, pick this second one, come to your Excel and come to more colors, custom colors. You can paste it and click on OK. And the last color should be this guy, the third one. Click on the third one, come to your back to your Excel, click on this part of the donut chart, paint bucket, come to more colors, under the custom you paste it and click on OK. So we have our donut chart. So the title of our donut chart is let's make it percentage composition. Percentage, let's make it composition, let's say of grand total or percentage contribution of profit. Then you move it, you drag it to the left, the top left, change this guy's color to be our theme color. Let's bold it. This guy should be italics. I should be 10. And the color should be this guy as well too. You can bold it. So I would like to reduce the size of this. Reduce the donut hole size to, let's say, okay, let's increase the size. We have to increase it. Let's make it 60. Let's see. That's going to make sense. 60. And you click on OK. I think that's fine. Then you reduce it. You cut it. Come to your dashboard. You paste it here. Then you adjust it. You adjust it to fit in your dashboard. Then you come to your design or just come to your format. I don't need this outline. Click on shape outline, then no outline to this one as well. I think we are done with the third guy. So let's see what are we going to, let's report on this guy. Let's see our let's go back to our report. Let's see our category by profit and sales. Same method, Alt F1. Come to your design, change chart type. Let's use a bar chart. A bar chart will make more sense. And let's click on OK. So I don't like these fill buttons. I'll just right click on them. Then I'll click on hide all fill buttons. Come to chart elements. I don't need these grid lines. And these guys here, I want them to be on the top. This they are called legends, right? The legends, I want them to be on the top. Then I'll drag them to the top end, top right end. This guy here, I don't need it, so I'll just right click on it, come to right click on it, come to format axis. Under the format axis, come to fields and line. No field, no line. I think that's fine. Then change this guy to our theme color. You come to this guy, make it blue, and this guy should be the other color. The other color. Then we don't need this horizontal axis. Come to our chart elements, uncheck the horizontal axis. Then we need this guy to be, let's make it, these are theme color, and kind of bold it. Let's add a title to our chart. Click on chart element and click on chart title, and let's make it let's say product category, by sales and profit. Then click on this guy, bring it to the top left. Let's make this second part to be italics. Change the font size to, let's say, 10. Make it our theme color, if possible bold it. Then the top guy should be, these are color again, you bold it, and I think that's 14 is fine. Then you reduce the size, cut it, and paste it right here. Again, we don't need these this shape outline. You click on no outline and you reduce it. And you reduce it. Increase the size of the chart. You can click on this the gap width. You can make it let's say 230, or let's make it 100. I think 100 is fine. What of 80? I think 80 is fine too. Good. You can increase this guy so that the profit will show. Fine. So let's report this. Let's check our report page. Let's report this month-on-month percentage change of profit. So click anywhere within your data, your values. Yeah. Then what? You still use your Alt F1. You come to your chart, change your chart type. I want a line chart. I want something like this. And I'll click on OK. So I don't need fill buttons. I'll right click on them, hide all fill buttons. Then I'll hide all fills button. I don't need grid lines as well. I'll uncheck the grid lines. And again, I want this my label to be, where is data label? So I want it to be on the top. above. Huh? That's not level. That's legends. My legend should be on the top. My legend should be on the top. Then I'll just kind of drag it to the top right. And I think that's fine. So the next thing I would like to do is I'll make these ones to be smooth. So after clicking on them, I'll come under the field and lines. I'll click on smooth. Then I would like the size to be, let's say, let me try one. Let's say one. Let's try the other ones too. I would like this guy to be, and the color of this guy should be our team color. Right, this is our team color. And this guy too. I would like this width to be one as well. The color should be our team color, and the line should be what, smooth. Then I'll click on this guy too. I want the width to be what, one, and the color should be this guy. But let's just make it something that will stand out. Let's say black. Then I would like it to be smooth. And the last guy should be something like let's make it to be this guy. No, let's make it to be kind of, let's say yellow, right? Yellow is fine. Then let's make it smooth. And then reduce the size. Let's give it a title. Come to your chart element, chart title. So let's give it a title. Let's say the title should be month on month percentage. Let's say percentage change in profits. Month on month percentage change in profit. Let's drag it to the top left corner and rename it, and just change the color to our team color and bold it. I think that's fine. So this guy here, I would like to come to my field and lines. I would like to make it to be a dash type. So this thing, then the color, I want it to be red so that it will stand out. That's my baseline. Yeah, let me just change the color to be this dark red. Then let me do it here. The home, the format, the shape outline, I want it to be in a dash, this guy here. I think that's fine. So I'll reduce it, cut it, and come and paste it on my dashboard. I don't need the shape outline. The shape outline should be what? No outline. Fine. So again, what I would like to okay, so let's make sure that we are using a uniform font size. So this guy here is 14. This guy is 14. This guy is 14. Is this guy 14? Yes. Okay, I was thinking that let's just change it to, let's say, 12. 12 will be fine. I think 12 will be fine. Let's just change these ones. I think 12. 12 will be fine. Let's make it to be 12. Let's make it to be 12. And these ones too should be 12. I think 12 is fine. Center align. This guy too should be center align. This guy too should be center align. Just trying to make sure that everything is aligned properly, right? So this is it. Good. So the next thing I would like to add is I would like to add our, let me do the last report. I think, what was it that we haven't report yet? Okay, this guy here. So I would like to use this guy. I would like to report on this guy. So let's use the bar chart. Let me use the bar chart for this guy. So you come to what, click on your Alt F1, come to design. Under the change chart type, let me see, we have the bar, we have the column, the bar. No, I don't like the bar chart. I'm thinking of okay, or should I go with the bar chart? Let me go with the bar chart. Let me go with this guy here. Let me just go with this guy. So click on chart element. I don't want the grid lines. I don't want this axis as well, this horizontal axis. I don't need this level too, these legends. I don't need it. I'll hide all field buttons. I'll delete on this total. I don't need it. So I'll change this color to our, I'll change it to our normal color, our theme color, which is this guy. And this one I'll change it to this guy here. And this I'll change it to this guy. Then this I'll change it to this guy. Oh, I've made a mistake. This I'll change it to this guy. And this I'll change it to this guy. So I want the data labels. Let me on my data labels now. I want the data labels to be inside. but in this case, come to series label option. So instead of show value, I want the series name to show. Instead of these, instead of the values, I want the series name to show. Instead of these values, I want the series name to show. Right? I will uncheck the value and click on the series name. So I will highlight everything and make sure it's what aligned to the center. So I can change the color to be, let's say, white, and bold it. I can change the color of this guy to white, bold it, use my paintbrush, and format the rest. Good. So I can now copy this and cut it, come to my dashboard and paste it here. So I'll come to format. Under the format, the shape field, I don't need any field, so you can click on no fields, right? Then we see you don't need any outline. Click on no outline. So you reduce the size. Then you bring it here. You reduce the size. Let's make it 9.0. 9.0. The width will be 9.0. Out of 10. 10 is much. Let's make it 9.5. You see? This is much too. Let's make it 9.2. 9.3. I think that's not bad. 9.25. What's happening? 9 points, let's say 22. I think that's all. So let's just leave it this way. So the next thing I would like to report is, or let me just put in something like a text box. And just type in profit generated by year. Let me type something like profit generated by year. Control A, you bold it, you put in our, let's say, these are our theme color, will be fine. The shape, you don't need any shape fields, and you don't need outline. So this is basically profit generated by year. Then we can also report, let me see, we can report this guy. You just come here, come to your inserts again, inside your text box, click on text box, and you can type your equal to in your formula bar, come to your report, click on this guy, click on enter. So you can bold it as well, change the color and increase it. Let's say the size, the font size, let's say to 14. 14 is small, make it 15. Then you can come to your shape format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. And you can type in something like can type in something like 12% is the approximated profit. Just make sure it's properly aligned. We can just shift this guy to up small. Then you can shift this guy up small. And just come to home, see the size is 15, this guy's size is 11, so let's make this to be 12. So 12%, this guy too, let's bold this guy, and this guy should be bolded as well. So you can highlight this guy and highlight this guy, then you can shift them and align them properly. Can change this color to be, let's give it another color, let's say this color, and these two. You can change this color as well to this color. So 12% is the approximated profit, and this is your profit generated by here. So we can add a slicer to these our reports. So what you need to do is come to your reports. Under the pivot analyze, you see insert slicer under the filters group. You click on insert slicer. You want a region. Where is our region? Want region. We need our sheep. We need our sheep mood. And we need our order. Let's check in order date. Let's use order date. And what? Click on OK. But this other day, I think I prefer the year. Let me change it. Insert slicer, come to your insert slicer again. Instead of order date, let's make it to be order date. The year is all in, and click on OK. So you have 3 slicers. You cut them all and you bring them to your report. You paste them here. So this is your order year. Your order year can be somewhere around here. You can bring your region to be here. Where is the other guy? You see it here. So you somehow arrange it here. So you can right click on this guy and say it's slicer settings. Then you can choose hide items with no data and click on OK. So the years you can make it years instead of other years. You can just make it years. Click on OK. The caption you can also make it years as well. So these are years. While this one is ship mode, right? And just try and format it properly. Make sure it's aligned properly. Make sure your sliders are aligned, your chart, whatever, are aligned properly. Right click, slicer settings, hide items with no data, click on OK. Good. So the next thing you do is you also right click on this guy, go to slicer settings, hide items with no data. Then you can also right click, slicer settings. I think it's okay. Then you come to your slicer tab here. You make this column, let's say make this column to be 4. Then increase the size, the width, and fit in here. Fit your slicer here at the top right of your heading. Good. So the next thing I would like to do is I would like to format these slicers so that to be in line with our theme colors, right? So click on this slicer. You come to click on this slicer. You come to, let's say for instance, let's right click on any of these slicer, then duplicate, then give it new. Just say name it new. Then the whole slicer you want the color to be, come to format. You want the color this time around, you want this color to be, because this slicer is somewhere here at the top, so you want the color to be, let's say this our theme color, and you click on OK. Right, that's the fill color. The border still, you want the border color to be, this our color, our theme color. You can choose to click on these borders. Then the font, we want the font to be white. The font color, I want the font color to be white. Then the font size, I think 8 is okay, 8 is fine. Then I'll click on OK. Then the header too, I will format the header. I want the field to be, these are color, pattern color, these are theme color. Then I want the border to be, these are theme color as well. That's not it, this guy. I can click on it for the border. Then the font, I want the font to be 8 also, and the font color should be white. I think okay. So select item on data, selected item on data. I want it to be this color. I want it to be this color. Selected items on data, I want it to be this color. Then the border too, I want it to be this color still. Click on these borders. Then the font color, I want the font color, if possible, to be white. Then select item with no data. I want the font color to be white, and I want the borders to be this light color here. Then I want the fill color to be the same color, this guy here. Click on OK. Unselect items with data. I want the font color to be, let's say, to be this blue here. Then I want the, let me just say white. Then I want the border to be this blue here, this dark blue. Click on these borders. Then I want the fill to be this guy, this same guy again. I click on OK. Then I will click on unselect items with no data. Let me click on hover over data. Let me format it. The border should be, let's say, something like this light blue. Then the fill should be something like this same light blue. The font should be light blue if possible. Click on OK. Then let me just say OK, I see. So click on it. Good. So this is our slicer, right? I think that's fine. So I want this slicer as well. I want to use this same slicer that I've just worked on. Click on this slicer, but I want to make sure that the background, I'll duplicate it. Let me just say 2. So I want the background, the whole slicer background should be this our color. The background, the border should be this our color. And the fill should be this our color. This is the fill, right? Okay. Format it. The border is this color. The fill should be this our color, right? The fill should be this our color. And click on OK. The header, the fill should also be this our color. And click on OK. So this is it. Well, this is it. This is fine. And this is it. This is fine. So and let's connect our slicers to our reports. For you to connect, you just right click on it. report connection. You check you check all the pivot tables so that your slider can filter it out. Then click on OK. You come to this guy as well, slicer, or you just right click, you see report connections, you check on all the pivot tables. Click on OK. This guy as well, you right click on it, report connection, check all the pivot tables. Click on OK. So now the next thing is to import our icon. All you need to do is come to your inserts, come to illustrations, you click on icons. The network is slow. You click on icons on the inserts. So you see a list of icons here. They are yet to show. So you just pick, I'll pick some. Let me pick this guy. Let me pick this guy, still loading. Let me just type analytics and see something, or let me type sales. Let me pick this guy. This is sales. Let me type analysis. So I think I'll need this guy too. I'll need this guy. I'll need this guy. Let me check another one. Let me type data. I'll need this guy too. This guy too will be useful. Let me insert D6. I think D6 will be okay. So I'm downloading it now. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's downloading. 6 of 6. Okay. So let me bring them here. Let's see how we are going to arrange them, one after the other. Make it small. Then come to your graphics. Graphics field, change it. I'll change it to white. Now bring it here. Bring it here. And this guy, let me see this guy. I'll make this guy to be our profit. This guy should be our total profit. So Sheffield, our total profit, let's make it this dark. Reduce the size. Let me bring it here. It should be our total profit. Let's undo it and reduce the size a bit. And bring it here. Then this guy here, we reduce the size to, and let's make it our total quantity sold. Total quantity sold. Let's make it our total quantity sold. So you can bring it here. Yeah, it's fine. This is our total quantity sold. So this guy is total sales. Let's look at our total sales. This can be our total sales. Let's make it our total sales and change this color again to this field color. Should be our total sales. It's too big. Let's reduce the size again. This should be our total sales. I think it's fine there. So I think we need another one. This guy. Let's reduce the size. And let's make it white. And bring it as our total. Let's make it as our total discount. Then we need another one for total transaction. We need another one for total transaction. Let's go to our insert illustrator. We need icons. Still loading. Need another shape for total transaction. Let's type transaction and see whether we see anything related to that. Let's use this guy for our sales. Insert. Let's use this guy for our sales. And change the color to, let's say, our theme color. Let's change the color to our theme color and use this guy. Good. So let's use this guy here as our total sales. Let's make this guy our total sales. And this guy, let's change the color to white. And make it our total transaction. So I think we are done with our dashboard. We first start with what these are our data set, then we create a report. We created a report. Then the final stage is what our dashboard, right? So you can choose to filter out. Let's say you want to only see your sales. Let's say you only want to see your sales from the central region. You can click on it. You see it's updating. And then you want to see only your sales from the central region and also to only for 2014. You can see. And you want to see only first class. Do you get it? So you can see how your sliders is working. So your dashboard is what you can see. You can only, if you choose central, you can choose central. The dashboard is updating 2014 second class. That's beautiful. So if you want to export your dashboard, all you need to do is you add a shape, come to insert, then you click on shape. Come to insert, click on shape, click on rectangle. Click on rectangle, then come to this edge, then highlight everything. Then you highlight everything. Then you change the shape fill to this color. Then you send it to back. It's like this guy is not properly aligned with this person here. And that's fine. I think that's fine. So you Control A, highlight everything. Then you right click anywhere within your report, your dashboard. Then you save as picture. So you can choose to save it on the desktop. You can say dashboard. And just say dashboard, and then click on save. So now you have saved it on your desktop, so you can refer back to your desktop. You can refer back to your desktop and open it. So this is how your dashboard is going to looks like, right? Good. So I think with this we've come to the end of our video on how to build an interactive and an amazing dashboard in Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next video.